If you want to add friends on Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to send a friend request using the Epic Games Launcher, step by step, so you can connect with your friends and start playing together in just a few moments. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. Once it's loaded, look over to the right side panel. You should see a section labeled Friends. Go ahead and click on Friends to open your social panel. This is where Epic Games keeps your friend list, requests, and social options all in one place. Now that the Friends panel is open, you'll see an option that says Add Friend. Click on Add Friend to begin the process. This will bring up a field where you can search for the person you want to add. Make sure you type their username or email carefully, because the information needs to match their Epic Games account. After entering your friend's username or email, take a second to double-check it. If the name is spelled correctly, click Add Friend to send the request. Once you do that, Epic Games will send your friend request to that account, and your friend will be able to accept it from their side. If your friend doesn't show up right away, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a moment for the request to go through, or you may need to confirm you entered the correct username or email address. If you're not sure, ask your friend to send you their Epic display name exactly as it appears in their account. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to add friends on Epic Games using the launcher, and once the request is accepted, you'll be ready to join parties, play co-op games, and jump into matches together. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next simple gaming guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.